Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks the process. Make sure your laptop runs Windows 10/11 or a recent Mac OS, and that Bluetooth is on. This allows device pairing. Once done, download or open the Moto Connect installer and keep your phone nearby. You should also enable USB debugging on Android if you plan to tether by cable. This ensures direct communication. Make sure both devices are on the same network when using wireless features to avoid connection delays. Now you install and pair. Run the Moto Connect installer and accept required permissions and drivers. This step lets your laptop access phone features. Next, open Moto Connect and select Bluetooth or USB pairing depending on your plan. Once selected, follow the on-screen prompts. Enter the PIN shown on your phone or scan the QR code to authenticate. If using USB, make sure the cable is data-capable. After pairing, test a basic feature, like sending a file to confirm the link works. Finish by testing core features so you know everything functions. Try receiving notifications, transferring a small file, and enabling tethering to validate the connection. If something fails, check app permissions and your laptop firewall or antivirus. Allow Moto Connect through those barriers. Once checked, restart both devices to clear transient issues. If problems persist, unpair and repair the devices. This refreshes keys and often resolves stubborn handshakes. One quick tip: replace cables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.